We take a break from hunting to reveal to you my wife trying to bend over to pick up a bird while bundled up for 21 degrees. Get it, man. You go. Look at you. I knew you could do it. Good girl. Good fetch. Here?
Where's my tree?
Here?
If one thing has become glaringly obvious, I don't know if you guys can even hear me, it's windy. But if one thing has become glaringly obvious, it is our need to to pattern our shotguns with this new shot that we've been using. We're using Boss shot shells. It shoots slower than what we're used to. We ain't learning it well. So we need to pattern it. Our shooting this morning wasn't terrible. It wasn't the worst thing you've ever seen, but we can definitely hone it in. So that's what we're gonna try and do. We're out here right now. We're gonna try and pattern this. We're gonna hone it in, but I'm gonna show you guys the hunt here first. That way you don't have to go through all this. And if you wanna stick around and see us pattern the shotgun after the, you can definitely stick around for it. But we're gonna try and pattern this shotgun. Here's what happened this morning. Dude, they were diving in. We could have had, I'm not even gonna spoil it for you, but they were just diving in before shooting light. It was a busy morning, I'll say that. Check it out. See you in a bit.
It is 5 minutes to shooting light.
Sit.
And we've had...
Sit.
That's a big duck, dude.
That's a big duck. Sit.
We've had probably 15
Sit.
ducks dive into the
That's because it's spread.
decoys.
Amazing. Sit.
Spread looks good.
Sit.
Big ducks, small ducks, some the size of your head. Let's go, man.
I know, buddy. We can't shoot them yet.
We're just trying to be ethical hunters. But it's 5 o'clock somewhere, you know. I'm just kidding. We never shoot before shooting light. You got to give them a chance, right? But we got teal going to that bank. We got what I assume is a big gadwall out there. And I am just going to watch the slowest 4 minutes ever.
Sit.
They are dropping in.
I know them.
Maybe the ducks are getting here 2 minutes.
Sit. Hush.
There go the teal.
Those new ones?
I think so.
God. Sit. There's 2 more right there.
Yeah, dude, they're dropping in this morning.
Sit.
Something fierce.
Sit. Sit.
Wow.
Sit.
He's not gonna
Sit.
like that. I landed right in front of him.
Sit. Sit.
Poor guy. This is tough for him.
I know, buddy. Sit.
He's doing good, other than whining. Good God.
Sit. Oh my God. Sit.
Hush, hush,
Hush. No.
hush.
Sit. Sit.
It's not green yet.
Hush. Hush. No. See what you did?
Scared them all off,
Scared them
man.
off, bud. Sit.
All right, let's go, Tom.
Sit. Sit.
See if we can bring those in.
Sit.
Ready?
Sit. 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 Jack's here. 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 Here.
Gun jammed.
Sit. Here.
Good
boy.
shooting. My gun jammed.
Did it really?
Yeah.
I got both of those, dude.
Yeah. I went to shoot the second time and
Right here, right here, right here. 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 Here.
you got your gun?
No.
Want me to shoot at him?
Here. Yeah, go ahead. Here. 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 Sit. Hold. Hold. Somebody fetch. 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 Come on. Fetch. Are you serious? What is landed? Here. 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 Bro, they're dropping in. Four more flew over here.
Let's go, dude. It's one of those mornings.
Back. Catch it up. Place. Place. Good boy, bud. Good boy. Sit.
Ready?
Sit.
Get him, get him.
Jack. Good boy. Good boy, buddy.
Yes. Good boy.
Good boy. Good boy, buddy.
Good boy.
Good boy, Bubba. Right here, right here, right here. Sit. Oh, it's a hooded merganser. Sit.
You want to shoot the Drake?
Yeah.
All right.
Sit. You want to take it or me?
You go ahead.
Sit.
I'll back you up.
Sit. Merk.
Hey, boy.
Nice. Okay, Jax.
Oh, he sees them. Whether or not he'll be able to get them, that's another story. Oh yeah, he's gonna have a tough time with that. Those things can stay under for a while. He doesn't know what to do. He doesn't know what to do. Well, step one, get in the water. There's no way he's gonna get that merganser diving like that. You're probably gonna have to call him out and then shoot him when he comes up. You're probably gonna have to call him out of there and then shoot him when he comes up. It's a pretty drake, man. We've never eaten merganser. I've heard it's disgusting, but we'll try it. What? Oh no, dude. Get him, buddy. I think it was right behind him. Get it, boy. Good boy. Get him. Good boy. Get him. Get the bird. What is he doing? Good boy. Hold. 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 He's gonna drop it. I know he is.
Fetch him up. The bird. The bird.
Good boy. Oops, sorry for the shoddy camera work. I was trying to watch outside the camera. Good boy. He's a pretty drake. If he's not all screwed up from 18 water shots, but like I said, I've heard people say eating merganser's nasty. I've never done it. Well, if we eat it, dude, which we will, because I want to try. I'm gonna verify this. We'll fry it, dude. I think you could eat a turd fried. And not that I would, but I'm just saying, if you wanted to, you probably could fry it up and make it taste pretty decent. Listen, I'm gonna stop talking. Did he have it by the foot when he finally caught it?
Yeah, I think so. It's a pretty bird, man.
Oh my goodness. Wow. Yeah, that's a pretty bird right there.
I took one shot. I was like, well, surely I'll be able to get close enough to shoot him. I was wrong. Excuse me. Place. 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 I might take him down and let him run around a little bit. Alright, come on.
Bird down. Started to try and spook up this one that landed here in front of me, but I noticed it was a hen, so I was going back and forth about it, and then I saw those other two drop in, and I could tell this one was a drake, so got after him, put him down, baby. Good boy. I figured he'd see it walking by. Hey, Jax, come here, buddy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy.
Good boy, buddy.
Good boy.
Come on.
I'm stuck somewhere. Ugh.
Jack's here. Good boy, buddy. Place. Was it just the one that came in?
Well, two came in. One landed behind the tree. Another one landed right in front of me, but it was a hen. And so I was like, damn, do I shoot the hen? It was obviously teal. And as I was thinking about that, two more came in and they started to decoy right here. So I picked out a drake and shot him.
Yeah. All right, I'll be back.
Trying for the drake. I could have shot the hen for sure. No, I didn't get any.
All right, so the wind has picked up quite a bit. I think we've got 7 down. We should have a lot more. Dude, if we could shoot 10 minutes before shooting light, like some of you guys do, you know, we'd probably be limited out right now. They were diving in here like crazy before shooting light. About 10 minutes before shooting light, it was just one after another, And the wind has really picked up since then. It's really pretty frigid. My wife just took Jax back. He would look like he was getting kind of miserable, and he's still a puppy. We want him to have fun with it and all that. So she took him back. We still out here doing our thing. Just missed a couple teal. I'm trying to, I have an app. That you keep track of your harvest on, right? And so it breaks it down by what you've shot, what type of duck and hen, drake, whatever. And that hen drake ratio is way too close. So this morning, I mean, there's some that I could have shot several times that I've passed on hens because I'm trying to just take drake. So that was another group where I knew that the drake was probably a little out of reach, especially with my modified choking. But I sent them that way anyway. Tomorrow's supposed to be really, really cold, like below freezing. So we're trying to decide what we want to do with Jax in the morning, if we want to try and bring him out and just see how he does in the really cold, or just leave him up and see how, I don't know, see how it goes without him. I don't know. Anyways, all that to say, I don't really know how cold is too cold for Jax just yet, but I don't want to push it. There's no point in pushing it, and I want to make sure that it stays fun for him right now while he's still learning and all that kind of stuff. So we'll get it figured out, but I'm out here right now. I think the birds are still going to be moving, and maybe we can get a few more before she comes back. When she comes back, we're going to pattern our shotguns. It's something that I obviously need to do.
The ones that came in just now, did they land, or?
Yeah.
They landed?
Yeah. Yep, I sure did. Right there.
Darling.
Other side of the
Teal.
swimmer duck. Yeah, they were teal.
Darling.
Yep.
Darling.
You're hurting my feelings.
Did you get a shot off?
I got 3 shots off, but it was way too late. Well, there was another one that was circling, and it started to come in, and these 3 took off, and so I stood up to shoot, but I gotta stop just wasting ammo shooting way far out there.
Mm-hmm.
When I know I ain't gonna hit them from that far.
Uh-huh.
Wish we could get some mallards up in here, dude.
Right.
Didn't jump
God,
any.
right here.
1, 2, 3, 6. I think it dropped on the other side of that levee.
Dude, I had to lead it far.
Yeah,
I'm learning.
I'm learning with this. This boss ammo is a lot slower than what we've been shooting.
Yes.
And you definitely have to lead them a lot more.
Dude, I had to lead a lot.
Yeah.
But I dropped him, didn't I?
The one out there? Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I mean, only one flew off.
Yeah.
That when you shot him, was he on the other side of the levee out there?
I don't know.
Or like clear out there?
I was kind of watching the other one. Dude, we're just like messing around calling, and all of a sudden.
We sure could use Jax right now, couldn't we?
Yeah, we got us a new retriever. He's a little quicker than the other one, but. Good boy! What? Good boy! Good boy!
She's telling me good boy like I'm a dog. How dare.
Should have been every bit of a 2-man limit day. 3 shy. Shot at a lot more than three more than this.
No, we didn't.
I mean, no, we didn't. We nailed every one of them. Sincerely, I mean that. Jax cost us a couple birds, but we cost us a whole lot more by shooting like Dookie. And if there's one thing that's evident, it's that we need to pattern our shotguns. We've been shooting like black clouds and heavy shot over the past 2 seasons, and it's very different with these because these are slower. These are Boss shells, they're copper plated bismuth. I think they're 1,315 foot per second. It feels very different. So I think it's time, we bought some targets. I think it's time that we get out, shoot our shotguns a little bit and see if we can pattern, see exactly what's going on. The lead is definitely different, what we have to lead. And so if we were responsible, we would have done this several weeks ago. But we had faith in our skills and that faith was misplaced. But this is not a bad morning, you know? I've been debating like, we could come back this afternoon and finish out a 2-man limit, but we're supposed to be deer hunting. I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen. But I know we're done for the morning. Jax would be so sad. We shot 3 birds after we put them up. 2 more birds after we put them up. So hopefully he can't count. Because if he saw that we had 2 more birds and he didn't get to get them, boy, he'd be angry. Okay, well that's a pretty beautiful pattern. Did you put that right on the money?
Huh?
Did you put the dot right on the bullseye?
Yeah.
I mean, that looks really good. Let's go check it out. Hunt's over, out here patterning our shotguns. And this doesn't look half bad. Feel pretty stable
Yeah.
on the shooter stick.
Yeah.
It's pretty windy too, but I mean, we're about 25 yards. And that right there.
There's already some holes in the bottom.
Yeah, I mean, we're just looking at the target. But that right there is a dead duck. You know what I mean?
I think so.
I mean, the duck itself ain't gonna be but about, yay big here. Okay, hello? Okay, hello? Ain't gonna be about yay bigger in that direction right down. I mean, that looks pretty on the money. I would say that's high.
Yeah.
So here's the difference. My wife has the waterfowl edition of the Super Black Eagle 3 that is like already tuned and all that kind of stuff. Who is it? Roy Rogers? Something
Yes.
like that. Roy Rogers. They take it to his shop. He fine tunes it. I think that's what that difference is. And so she has been aiming, I think, until today, pretty consistently low, thinking it's shooting high like this bad boy. That's high.
That's high.
That's really high. So I'm gonna fix the target and then pop another shot and just make sure that I don't think I pulled it, Bill. All right, I'm gonna aim at the bottom of the target.
All right. That's better.
I'm gonna have to aim 8 inches below the bird. This is over 30 yards. This is over 30 yards. I don't know. I don't mind aiming underneath them because I don't mind seeing the bird, rather than putting the dot on the bird. But I don't know. I should probably really give some consideration to shimming it. Let me know what you guys think.
It's go time.
It's go time, baby. Right here. You want to get him on the next pass?
Huh?
So you want to get him on the next pass?
He took off and landed exactly where it was.
It looks like a fatty teal, man.
Mm-hmm.
You want me to see if I can jump them or just see if...
I was kind of waiting to see if anything else was going to come in.
Yeah, that's what I was going to ask.
Right here, right here. To the right. All right, well.
1, 2. One down, baby. I just saw that. Yeah. Right here. Let's get on this back. Right here.
They don't like something.
Might be the spinner. Ready? Get him. Oh, they worked for a long time.
Yeah, they did.
I don't like the amount of feathers in the water right there. I feel like he might be
Here you go.
a little, he gone. He gone.
All right, well, I think that we probably made a decent call leaving him up at the house today. Just, not even because of the water temperature or the temperature or anything, just, it was slow, dude. Sundays out here are consistently slow. Now, we could have shot more birds. There was like, what, 6 or 10 or something at first shooting light that we were hoping to get some big ducks in. They never came. Actually, they were at a different pond when she drove back to get them, right?
Yeah.
So there's a little pond, tiny little pond, that apparently had some mallards on it. So that's cool. They weren't here, but that's the way the cookie crumbles. That was just another factor in not bringing them out this morning, was that Sundays are consistently slow. So I feel like we might need to, I don't know, maybe some Sundays just change it up, go to different ponds or something like that. There's only like 2 that are huntable out here, but try something a little different. So our total from this weekend, we got a drake and a hen green wing this morning. So yesterday we got 7, yesterday was all drakes, baby. We got 7 drake green wings, a drake gadwall, and a drake merganser. So 9, so 8 drake green wing. Listen, 11 birds. Today was a little bit better shooting. You can see on the shot cam footage, I aimed low, like really low. I think when I go home, I'm gonna change out the shim in that Super Black Eagle 3 and put the bigger shim in there and see if maybe that fixes things. It's either gonna fix it or make it worse. I don't know which one, but apparently it's supposed to fix it. He has no problem. He didn't even have his vest on.
No.
Something else. It was like, it felt like the wind chill was 21 degrees. So that's what it was this morning. That was the coldest day we had. And if he wasn't gonna like it, I just didn't want it to be during a hunting scenario, you know? Let him get away with not retrieving birds or whatever because the water's cold. Anywho, hey, if you guys are enjoying the videos, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. If you've been here a couple times, you've watched a couple channels, if you've been here a couple times and you've watched a couple videos, just subscribe to the channel. worst case scenario, you get some cool duck hunting videos, some product reviews, that kind of stuff. And I would love to hear from you guys in the comments as well. Your experience duck hunting this year, because apparently it's been rough for a lot of people. Anywho, we'll see you back soon. See you with the and then anyways, she's bye.